Witness extreme firewood machines and massive chainsaws in action. Subscribe now and never miss a video of extreme dangerous heavy machines turning logs into firewood with incredible power. Enjoy the video. The Easton-made 48C firewood processor is a monster, delivering raw power and reliable performance for massive wood-splitting tasks. The Splitta 400 is a game-changer designed to crush through wood with incredible speed and efficiency. This firewood attachment turns any heavy machine into a wood-splitting powerhouse. Versatility at its finest. See how it handles massive logs with ease, making firewood production faster and more efficient than ever. Do you see that red button below? Click subscribe. It's free. Get all our new extreme machinery videos automatically every day. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, let's get back to the action and check out more extreme heavy machines. Check out its smooth operation and efficient cutting, perfect for high-demand firewood production.
You're good.
Watch this machine in action, turning even the toughest logs into firewood with absolute ease. The Forest King Log Splitter is built to dominate, delivering unstoppable force for any log-splitting challenge. See how this compact machine handles logs with effortless power, perfect for mobile operations and easy transport. The Dyna C16 18 chords offers unbeatable efficiency with its impressive splitting capacity and high performance. It takes on massive logs with reliable speed, making high-volume firewood processing look easy. Combining high-capacity log handling with rugged performance to power through even the toughest wood. The Multi-Tech 2040 is a heavy-duty workhorse perfectly designed to split large logs with precision and efficiency. See how this machine delivers top-notch performance, turning heavy logs into perfectly split firewood in no time. Powerful machine that takes log splitting to the next level with its innovative design and high performance. Combining high performance with outstanding versatility to tackle even the most demanding jobs. Speed and power to provide superior firewood splitting for professionals and heavy users. A powerful machine engineered to handle massive logs with effortless speed and precision. The Oregon 3000 series 30-ton log splitter is a true force, providing exceptional splitting power for both commercial and residential use. Splitting even the toughest logs with ease and maximizing efficiency in every cycle. The Fun RCA 400 Joy is a top-notch log splitter offering impressive force and versatility to take on the toughest jobs. The Woodcutter and Kindlet Pro is a revolutionary machine, providing both firewood splitting and kindling cutting in one compact, high-efficiency package. Watch how it combines versatility and speed, making firewood preparation faster and more efficient than ever before. The right equipment truly makes all the difference, elevating performance and efficiency to new heights in every task. Experience how this approach turns every movement into a masterpiece of efficiency, making complex tasks feel seamless and swift. The size of the machine, combined with the size and quality of the splits, delivers a perfect balance of power and precision, making every job easier and faster.